Hi guys, welcome back, and I'm just going to do the same thing that we always do. Not really different, but it's always kind of fun. Oh, that's pretty cool. I always wanted to do this one, so why not? That looks amazing. I'm gonna do it. Ooh, that's maple. Done. Oh, that was way easier than everything else. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. That was pretty easy. Bye.